Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So this is 1st August 2024. So let's dive into some Bitcoin update. I'll give some alts update as well. So let's see like where are we currently right now and what actually happened and what to expect and what's my like current plan and thesis going into the August month. So this is basically the Trump rally and people were front running all these flows, and going into such events like when Bitcoin is tapping around this 70k level, the open interest was at peak. So this sell off is kind of expected. But the thing is, this choppy PA before the FOMC was kind of messing around. So I was expecting at least a tap to like 67.3 to 4K's level. But I tweeted yesterday that it's not the first move that is important, it's the second move. So people were kind of positioning for upside price action here, and when they did not get any kind of like news from like Powell, so they started closing positions. So this is the level that I kind of got really this was kind of awkward level. So I started closing some like I was long around this 65.4k level, but I closed around this level because it was kind of awkward to see how Bitcoin is really making this poor high, because like when market is truly bearish, it will make all these poor equal highs kind of stuff and it will just break down. And also I want to show you another thing, like this is a weekly VWAP, okay, and this is the value area low, this is the value area high, basically the first standard deviation, okay. So yesterday what happened was, like I was actually targeting this level, but like this kind of like momentum stalling, I did not like it. And like when market is like really bearish, it will front on all this typical areas. So yeah, currently we are breaking down, and like it's not really a breakdown, like it's an expected stop run, because these type of like we swept the highs, like of course we will sweep the lows. Like today I tweeted about this, like this is, if this is a 15-minute or 5-minute chart, of course you will target this low, right? So this was a no-brainer stop hunt. So there is nothing like wrong about it. And what's my current plan, like what I'm actually planning around this, like for the next couple of days. So simple plan is we will chop around here, okay, and of course we will get some kind of like short covering rally possibly around here, or maybe a little bit lower, because my plan is a little bit lower. Reason why, let me just go to the monthly level, okay. So we started losing like 67k from here only, from 31st of July. So this is July value area, okay, this is value area high, this is VWAP, this is value area low, okay. So Bitcoin basically like started accepting inside the July value area, okay. So the logical level for price to move is towards the VWAP, because this is the point of control, okay. For a value area, this is the point of control. So once we get rejected of the like value area high, we will traverse back towards the point of control, okay. And once we get like acceptance below this, of course then there is another possibility that we will like range from here to here. But logical area to look reaction is like 62.2k. But I don't think like we will get that very easily, because a lot of like longs are currently like trying hard around this level. Also some like Binance, there is also some Binance guy who is trying to like long around this level, and he is also currently underwater. Let me just switch over to Binance. You see, yeah, not this, yeah. So you see like 1 second, yep. So these walls got run over already, so this guy is currently underwater. So what I'm currently watching is like whether this guy will pick the positions or not. This is basically a LTF idea, and of course we will get some kind of relief rally here. But I'm currently watching like this, the Coinbase currently like trying to like lift the price around here. Also the HTF idea, like what I'm like planning for like next couple of days, is like we will chop around here. Okay, we will chop around here, and another sweep of this low will be like fine, because this is the view up. You see, this is the view up. So if we get another run over to 62k level, then that's fine. So I will be like buying around this level, and we can target like this equal highs. Yeah, 66.8k, because you see, 1 second. Yes, this is basically the poor high I'm talking about. So my plan is like we will like create value. I'm not really, I was not really interested in longing today, because we broke down this structure, right? We are basically, we opened around here, expand the cluster. You see, we opened around here, we tested above this initial balance, because this is the initial balance. We tested above this initial balance, and again we are just like literally trading below this 63k level. So my plan is to like wait patiently, and to like, I know this area will give another like good reactions, 62.3k, because it got front run around this level. So yeah, be patient. Do not really, I don't have really like um this level, I don't want to like be engaging at this level. And of like most likely we'll chop around this level, and if we will get another dip, then we'll see. So yeah, that's it for like Bitcoin. I think let's dive into MKR, because MKR is really interesting, and yeah, so we were positioning around this 2610 level, because this H4 200 level have been really bullish for MKR. So I was actually watching this level like 2654, because the H4 200 EMA is around this level, but I did not like this RSI rollover. So I was like waiting for like LTA price action, and we got a nice good PA around this level. You see, like sweep of this level, and it's reclaiming the LTF like band. Only thing I'm not really sure about is like Bitcoin is still trading below this level. So I'll just wait, because you see, 1 second. Yeah, so what I really want to see in MKR is to create a value around this level. Okay, and if you want to see the, yeah, Monday range, I want to see this weekly opener Monday low to get stabbed, because usual reaction, you see, like all these H4 200 EMA, once an asset is green, like if an asset is green on the day, people will have their like eyes on it. So you see a lot of positioning is going into like MKR, and whatever the position is green on the day when the entire market is red. So my first thought is like, if people are watching at this level, so of course there will be a lot of positioning happening around this level. For scalp is fine, but what I'm targeting right now is if we can at least run over this weekly opener Monday low, another dip, then this is a very good setup. Like if we can get another run over at this weekly open and Monday low level, then that's a good setup for like in terms of Monday high. But of course, if it goes higher, then no problem at all. But this is my setup. And another thing is like, I want to see like for LTF price action as well, I want to see this type of like, if we can get a, what we call it, accumulation. I don't remember. This is basically the rect group setup, right? So yeah, if we can get such kind of setup, that is another like long for me for MKR. So yeah, another thing that I'm currently watching is Soul, because Soul is like looking really nasty. But again, people were like heavily like buying spot into the thick like spot walls, like thick wall of like there is a huge like Binance guy was selling with limit ask around this level 193 194 level. So it's expected like this kind of sell off in like Soul like outperforming in the downside. This is expected, but again we are moving around this 159 level. Okay, like we are moving around this level, because this level has been crucial. Like we have seen numerous reaction around this level. So only thing I want is like basically people were like um, targeting this level, right? Like I have seen many setups in Twitter that people are saying that once we sweep 165, then we can buy, then we can long. So yeah, this is expected. But the thing is like Sol kind of like favorites like things to long for people, like apart from Bitcoin. And of course nobody tries to long Ethereum, because if you hate money, then you can trade Ethereum. That's my thesis right now. So for Sol, I think if like Soul needs to outperform around this level here, you know. Like if you want to see strength, then Soul should be like your priority to look at, to see the strength in entire market. If Soul outperforms to the higher side, then entire market will outperform to the higher side. If Soul outperforms towards the downside, then you can see like what really happened to the all the meme sector. Like everything is just nuking. So thing is like many people are currently watching Soul. So once you see like a lot of attention to a certain sector, it always gets it always get like front run PA, you know. Like if you have, like let's say this is basically the yeah, monthly value. Okay, so this is basically the monthly value. So what I am currently watching is like either if an asset is like so much eyes are currently into an asset and huge open interest is there. I haven't actually checked the flow, but like basically everyone is currently looking at the Soul setup right now. So my current thesis is like if like bet this low and get like a short bounce, then if we get another like dip, this is my this will be my long setup around 157 158 level. I'll be buying. This is basically my Soul thesis. Or else do not if Soul has to like run higher, then it should have been front running this 165 level, this low, because you know like a lot of people are waiting for this level. So thing is like once people are talking about like such kind of lows is there, they'll be buying if we sweep such low. Two things happen: either we front run or we run over. So currently we are running over it, and again people are kind of like underwater in these positions. So I want like the A plus setup is if Soul kind of like bleeds towards this level, then it gets bounced. That will be a huge like that will be a great setup, because a lot of people currently are underwater in Soul positions here. Let them like let the fear begin, you know. Like what you want is like if people like started like getting all the fear, like okay, this is completely over, we are going to zero, we are going to like $10 $20, then that's the ideal scenario to buy. So this is my thesis for Soul. And yeah, for Ethereum, I don't know, like this is like looking really garbage, because we chopped for like around like how many days, since 15 to 25 10 days we chopped in this small level, and we like literally like dumped, and this was the bearish retest. So thing is like I am waiting for this level to like get run over. And this is basically the opposite side of the Soul, you know. Like many people are not really looking at Ethereum currently, because and everyone's eyes is the meme sector and all those stuff. Once the like Ethereum gets like third, like once the Ethereum gets ignored, it always gets outperformed. So my thesis is like it should get like this type of like choppy price action, and if we get such kind of sweep of 3055 level, because this is basically the July value area low, this is a great like stop run and long setup. And if we like talk about like where I'll be like targeting, because this is the monthly open, so no brainer, my long setup will be like this towards this monthly open max. I'm not really a fan of huge swing trading at this moment, because currently market is very choppy. So yeah, this will be my like setup. I don't know like how deep it will gonna sweep, but if we like at least chop around this level and sweep this low into What level? This 30552 to 3060 level. That's a great like sweep and reclaim. That's a great setup for Ethereum, at least towards this monthly open. Okay, simple. So this is Ethereum. Then let's go to, I think, yeah. So you see another thing like that I want to like share with you guys, that this is basically the current weekly value area. Okay, to even in this today's like New York session, I was watching like if we can at least get a like at least tap this value area low to have a short. Market is so weak that it front ran this level as well, you know. And also like I was saying like 62.2k level is a huge level. This is basically weekly, this is monthly, this is quarterly, and this is yearly. So monthly VWAP is around 62.2k level, even quarterly is around this level. So I'll be like watching that level to like buy some long some Bitcoin and other sub. And let's see like how Popcat is looking, because I was watching like, because Popcat is at a very crucial level. 1 second. Yeah, let's close this. Yes. So my plan is, did it actually ran over? No. So this is my plan actually. 1 second. Yeah. So yes, 4 hour. Let's stick to 4 hour. Yes. So simple plan is for Popcat is, I'll just wait. Like of course this will have such kind of reaction because this is a round number 0.6 level, 0.6002. This is a round number, so of course this will have such kind of reaction. Like there is no questions asked. But my setup is, if we like front run this level and if we bounce, okay, at this level, sweep, reclaim, that's a good setup. You see, because even you see like here it has been a solid SR level just below 0.60, 0.5837 to 0.5474. This is a solid SR level. Also this H4 candle, like this H4 demand, this is a good level. So this is my Popcat setup, please towards 30%, you know, like if we can get such kind of setup. Small, you can just go with the small like 5% stop and 32%. This is what I'm planning. Basically you don't need to like put any kind of limit orders, just have alert set for MKR at this level, sorry, for Popcat, and it should provide a good reaction around this level. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys like enjoy, and don't get liquidated, and don't put any kind of like irrational idea like longing, reverse trending, and all those stuff. So have fun, enjoy, and have a really good night. Bye.